So in this Figma tutorial video, I will be showing you how to edit text size here in Figma. So once Figma's opened up, just go to the bottom here and select the T. Now you can select text or text on path. I will just select text right here. I will then press it and I will add some text to my design. So I'll go ahead and type in text size like that. So if you wanted to go ahead first of all and change the text size, because as you can tell it's super small, highlight the text right here, go to this right side to where it says typography, then go ahead and select the sizing right here. You can go ahead and change one if you want, or you can type in a custom number. So if I wanted to do like 600 for instance, I can go ahead and do that. Then I can move the text here and do what you got to do. If you were to go ahead and bring this larger or smaller, it'll actually just change the size of the text box. So if you wanted to go ahead and increase the text even further, you can do it accordingly. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can edit text size here in Figma. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.